Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 37. Insurance companies are similar to commercial banks in that they A. compensate their customers for losses, B. act as lender of last resort, C. help in maintaining monetary stability in a nation, D. help in mobilizing saving for investment. Now we are looking at the similarities between insurance company and commercial bank, and the basic similarity between these two firms or these two institutions is that both insurance companies and banks and commercial banks enable customers to save for future investments or events, or with respect to future events. So they help in the save of resources as investments or as for future events. Therefore, the correct answer is D, help in mobilizing saving for investment. So that is the basic similarity between insurance companies and commercial banks. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.